Hello students, welcome to Barrackpur Senate Public School.
Hello everyone, I am Momita Khurduspidar. Today we will learn in details about measurement. Do you know what is measurement? Measurement plays a very important role in our life. Measurement means compared to a fixed standard value. Measuring something puts the amount to the things into numbers. Measurement can be written using many different units. One of the most important units is SI unit. It is an international system of units, that is a metric system, and it is used universally as a standard for the measurement. Do you know about the measurement of mass? What is mass? Mass of an object is the amount of matter in that object. We measure the mass of an object by measuring the weight of the object. The standard unit of the measurement of mass is kilogram. SI unit for the measuring mass, that is kilogram. The symbol of kilogram, do you know that? That is kg. Grams and milligrams are the sub-units. Milligram is the smaller unit than the gram. The symbol for gram is G, whereas mg is the symbol of milligram. To measure the mass, beam balance, spring balance, different kinds of devices are used. Now we learn about the measurement of length. What is length? Length is the distance between 2 points. The measuring tool used to measure length is called a ruler or measuring tape. A ruler, scale or tape has several marks to denote an exact distance between 2 points. Do you know what is the SI unit of measuring length? The meter is the unit of length that represents a definite fixed length. The symbol of meter is M. Centimeter and millimeter are the sub-units of meter. Symbol of millimeter is mm and symbol of centimeter is cm. Kilometer is a multiple of meter and the symbol of kilometer is km. How do we measure time? Hour, day, week, month and year are specific periods of time. Long ago, human beings kept track of the time during the day by the movement of the shadows formed by sunlight. At night, time was measured by the position of certain stars and the moon. But nowadays, we use watches and clocks to measure time. Do you know that SI unit of the measuring time? SI unit of measuring time is second. The symbol of second is S. Minute and hour are multiples of second, whereas millisecond and microsecond are the subunits of second. Measurement of capacity. Matter has mass and occupies space. Liquid and gases occupy space within the container they fill. The amount of liquid or gas the container can hold is called the capacity of the container. Volume is the space a substance occupies or contains. For example, the capacity of the jug shown in figure alongside is the maximum amount of water the jug can hold, whereas the volume of water in the jug is the space it occupies in the jug. What is the SI unit of the measuring capacity? SI unit of measuring capacity is liter. The symbol for liter is L. Milliliter is the subunit of a liter. The symbol of milliliter is ml. Certain rules are followed while writing SI unit. First rule, the symbol of a measuring unit is written in small letters. But if it is named after a scientist, it is written in a capital letter, like meter, kilogram, joule, etc. Rule 2, when the full form is used, the symbol is written in small letters even if it is named after a scientist. Joule, Joule, meter, kilogram in full. Rule 3, the symbol of a unit is never written as plural, but when the full form is used may be written in plural. Rule 4, the symbol is never written in a full stop unless it appears at the end of a sentence. Rule 5, the symbol of all SI units are written only in English. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Stay safe and stay healthy.